Hello, children. Good morning. How are you? I hope you are all staying safe and fine. Welcome to today's math class. Have you done your homework, children? Yes, good. Before moving into today's session, let us learn one moral value. Shall we? I hope you all enjoyed the math videos. Yes, good. Children, today's moral value is punctuality. Punctuality is nothing but doing your work at the expected time. Yes, you should be punctual in your work. Then only you will be succeed. People who are more punctual can finish their work on time. When you are coming to school, you will reach the school by 8:30. No? Yes, you are punctual on that time. Isn't it so? Yes, nature also is being punctual in its work. The sun rises in the east and the sun sets in the west, and the seasonal changes like summer, winter, autumn, spring. Isn't so? Yes. So all are being punctual in their work. Yes. If you are also being punctual in your studies, surely you will succeed. Yes. Good. Children, shall we recall what we had learnt in our last session? Yes. Number name, numeral form, place value, face value, expanded form of the 4-digit numbers. Isn't it? Yes. Then ascending order, descending order, and rounding of numbers to nearest 10 and 100, and then even and odd numbers. Yes. Have you remembered these all now? Yes. Good. Children, today we are going to learn about addition. Addition means putting things together. It is the term used to describe by adding two or more numbers together. The numbers to be added are called addends. The answer or result of addition is called total or sum. The symbol for addition is plus. For example, add 132 and 764. Here, 132 and 764 are addends, and 896 is the answer, which is called sum. Yes. Children, you learned these in your second standard itself. Isn't it so? Yes. Good. Children, shall we recall the addition of 3-digit numbers without regrouping now? Yes. For example, add 342 and 237. First of all, before doing addition, you should arrange all the given numbers according to their place value. Yes. Next, add the ones. Here, 2 plus 7 are in ones place. So, 2 plus 7 equal to 9. Yes. Next, add the tens. 4 plus 3 equal to 7. Next, add the hundreds. 3 plus 2 equal to 5. So, here 342 and 237 are addends, and 579 is the answer or sum. Have you understood clearly? Yes. Good. Children, here two examples are given. First, add 137 and 602. When we are adding 137 with 602, we will get 739 as the answer. Yes. Second sum, add 234 and 151. When we are adding 234 with 151, we will get 385. Yes, 385 is the answer. It is called sum. Yes, children, always do adding from the ones place whenever you are doing addition. Okay, children, don't forget this. This is very important for addition. Yes. Children, shall we recall the addition of 3-digit number with regrouping? Yes. First, add 638 and 274. First, arrange the numbers according to their place value. Next, add the ones and regroup. What is meant by regroup, children? nothing but carry forward. Yes, carry forward the number. First add the ones here. 8 plus 4 equal to 12. We should not write 12 in the ones place. So 12 ones equal to 2 ones plus 1 tens. So we will write 2 in the ones place and the 1 is carry forward or regroup to the tens place. Yes. Next add the tens and regroup. So 1 plus 3 plus 7 equal to 11. So 11 tens equal to 1 tens plus 100. So we will write 1 in the tens place and the 1 is carry forward or regroup to hundreds place. Yes. Next add the hundreds place. Yes. 1 plus 6 plus 2 equal to 9. So we are getting 912 as the answer. So it is the sum, that is 912 is the sum. In this way we are adding all the numbers with regrouping. Is it clear now? Yes, good. Some more examples are given here. Add 384 and 275. Here we are adding 384 with 275. We will get 659 as the sum. That is 659 is the answer. So to do addition here we should add from the ones place, next tens place and then hundreds place. Okay. Next add 445 with 376. When we are adding 445 with 376 we will get 821 as the answer. Yes. Children, when you add 3-digit numbers, sometimes you will get a 4-digit number as the answer. For example, add 643 with 576. Step 1. Add the ones, that is 3 plus 6 equal to 9. Next, add the tens and regroup. 4 plus 7 equal to 11 tens. Yes, so 11 tens equal to 110 plus 100. Next, add the hundreds and regroup, that is 1 plus 6 plus 5 equal to 12. That is 12 hundreds equal to 1000 plus 200s. So the answer is 1219. So by adding two 3-digit numbers we are getting one 4-digit number. Have you clear now? Yes, hope you understood clearly about this addition. Yes, good. Children, next, properties of addition. If two numbers can be added in any order, the sum remains the same. For example, 342 plus 568 equal to 910. Similarly, 568 plus 342 equal to 910. So 342 plus 568 is equal to 568 plus 342. Yes, clear now? Yes. Next, by adding 0 to a number, it gives the same number itself. Yes, 945 plus 0 equal to 945. 320 plus 0 equal to 320. Next, by adding 1 to a number gives the next number or the successor of the number. Yes, 743 plus 1 equal to 744. Next, 679 plus 1 equal to 680. Now I hope you recall the properties of addition clearly. Isn't it so? Yes. Good. Next, we are moving into story sum. There were 254 roses and 436 lilies in a school garden. How many flowers were there in all? Here it is given 254 roses and 436 lilies are in a school garden. You have to find out the total number of flowers in the garden. Shall you? Yes. For the story sums, first you have to write the steps. So the number of roses equal to 254 and the number of lilies equal to 436. Since here it is addition, we are putting the symbol plus. So you have to add 254 with 436. So we are getting 690, isn't it so? Yes. So the total number of floors equal to 690. Whenever during addition you have to add from the ones place and then tens and then hundreds. So the answer is the total number of floors equal to 690. Yes. Hope you understood clearly. Yes. Children, next story starts. There are 863 horses and 527 cows in a farm. How many animals are there in a farm? Here, there are 863 horses and 527 cows in a farm. Children, you have to find out the total number of animals in the farm. So, total means addition. Yes. So, we have to write the steps, isn't it? Yes. Number of horses equal to 863 and the number of cows equal to 527. Then put the symbol add. Then add 863 with 527. We will get 1390 as the answer. Yes. So, the total number of animals in the garden is 1390. Children, whenever you are doing addition, do addition from the ones place, next tens place, next hundreds place, and next thousands place. Don't move from thousands place to ones place. Always moves from ones place. Have you clear, children? Yes. Children, one more example is given. Add 4193 plus 209 plus 1123. So, children, when we are adding these three numbers, we will get 5525 as the answer. That is called sum. And here 4193 and 209 and 1123 are the add-ons. And 5525 is the answer. That is called the sum. Yes. Children, we are going to add the 4-digit numbers without regrouping. Yes. First, add 7325 with 1254. First, arrange the numbers according to their place value. Next, add the ones. 5 plus 4 equal to 9. Next, add the tens. 2 plus 5 equal to 7. Next, add the hundreds. 3 plus 2 equal to 5. Next, add the thousands. 7 plus 1 equal to 8. So, when we are adding 7325 with 1254, we will get 8579 is the answer as the sum. Yes. Good. Children, here two more examples are given. Second one, add 2617 with 5250. Yes, by adding these two numbers, we will get 7867 as the answer. Yes, we have to add from ones place and then tens and then hundreds and then thousand. Is it clear? Yes. Next, add 3624 and 5342. Yes, by adding these two numbers, we will get 8966 as the answer. Good. Children, next addition of 4-digit number with regrouping. For example, add 2808 with 4267. First, arrange the numbers according to their place value. Next, add the ones. 8 plus 7 equal to 15. You should not write 15 in ones place. So, 15 is regrouped. Yes, 15 ones equal to 110 plus 5 ones. So, 5 should be written in ones place and the 1 is carried forward to tens place. Next, add the tens. 1 plus 0 plus 6 equal to 7. Next, add the hundreds. 8 plus 2 equal to 10. So, 10 is regrouped into 10 hundreds equal to 1000 plus 0 hundred. So, 0 should be written in hundreds place and 1 should be regrouped or carry forwarded to thousands place. Next, add the thousands. 1 plus 2 plus 4 equal to 7. Yes, by adding 2808 with 4267, we will get 7075 as the answer. Is the sum? Yes. Have you clear now, children? Yes. Good. Some more examples are given. When 3415 is added to 3879, we will get 7294 as the answer. Okay? Yes. Next, 6702 is added with 1439, we will get 8141 as the answer. Children, have you understood clearly? Whenever during addition, you should always add from the ones place. Okay, children? Yes. Good. Children, next we are moving into story sums for a 4-digit number. A company sold 4,272 cars in January and 3,517 cars in February. How many cars did the company sell in 2 months? Children, here 4,272 cars are sold in January and 3,517 cars are sold in February in a company. You have to find out the total number of cars for the 2 months. That is total number of cars sold for the 2 months. Yes. For that you have to write the steps first. Okay. So the number of cars sold in January equal to 4,272. Next, the number of cars sold in February equal to 3,517. So you have to add the two numbers. That is, add the number of cars sold for the 2 months and you will get the answer 7,789. Yes. So the total number of cars sold in the 2 months, January and February, is 7,789. Are you clear now? Yes. Children, whenever you are writing story sums, that is, you are doing story sums, you should write the steps first. Okay, children? Yes. Good. Let us see one more example, children. Yes, there are 2,547 men and 4,968 women who are living in a village. How many people are there in the village altogether? Here the number of men and the number of women living in a village is given. Children, you have to find out the total number of peoples in the village. Here the keyword altogether is given. So altogether means addition. First you have to write the number of men. Yes, that is steps. Number of men equal to 2,547 and number of women equal to 4,968. You have to add the number of men with the number of women. You will get the total number of people living in the village. Yes, 7,515 is the total number of people living in the village. Don't forget to put the addition symbol plus. Okay, children? Yes, when you are doing story sums, you have to write the steps. It is very important. Then only you will get full marks for the story sums or word problem. The other name for story sum is word problem. Okay, children? Have you got it? Yes, 35 is the answer. Yes. Next, properties of addition for 4-digit numbers. Yes, first order property. Numbers can be added in any order, but the sum remains the same. For example, 3043 plus 2652 equal to 5695. Similarly, 2652 plus 3043 is equal to 5695. Both the answers are the same. If you are adding the numbers in any order, the answer remains the same. That is, the sum remains the same. So we can write 3043 plus 2652 equal to 2652 plus 3043. Yes. Next, zero property. When 0 is added to a number or when a number is added to 0, the sum is the number itself. Yes. 4563 plus 0 equal to 4563. 0 plus 9782 equal to 9782. Yes. Next, when 1 is added to a number, the sum is the successor of the given number or the next number. Yes. 8976 plus 1 equal to 8977. Yes. 9,999 plus 1 equal to 10,000. Yes, these properties of addition are the same as the rule followed by the properties of addition for the 2 digits or 3 digits. Yes. Children, shall we recapitulate what we had learned till now? Yes. First, addition of 3-digit numbers with and without regrouping. Next, addition of 4-digit numbers with and without regrouping. Next, story sums for 4-digit numbers. Next, properties of addition. Children, keep this in your mind. Whenever you are doing the story sums, please write the steps and then write the numbers and do addition with the appropriate symbol plus. Okay, children, have you got it? Yes, good. Next, activity session. Yes, add the following. First, add 421 with 230. Next, add 765 with 982. Next, add 8436 with 1079. Yes. Next, 7397 with 1205. Yes. Next, 2569 with 3467. Next, 324 plus 107 plus 632. Next, 2932 plus 1475 plus 3836. Children, please do this activity problems without fail. Yes. Children, hope you understood the concepts clearly. Please do practice the problems daily. Okay, children? Yes. Take care of yourself. Bye. I will catch you in the next session of our mathematics class. Yes. Bye.